In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the best garage floors available on the market today, including their features, pros, and cons. Whether you're looking for a durable and long-lasting garage floor or one that's easy to install and maintain, we've got you covered. The Rust-Oleum Epoxy Shield is a two-component water-based epoxy floor coating designed to provide a clean, glossy, showroom-quality finish to concrete garage floors that are in good sound condition and are free of curing agents and sealers. It is fairly easy to apply, but the pouches that it comes in are not user-friendly. The application process is straightforward after mixing, but the coating applied tends to be thinner than other brands, resulting in a medium gloss shine. It has a solid base color with a color fleck finish, making it visually appealing, and the drying time is also reasonable as it takes only 4 hours to dry after application. It is also a one-coat application that can cover 200-250 square feet per kit, and it can be applied using a roller. The product is water-based, making it easy to clean up with water. It takes between 12 to 24 hours to dry, and it is available for purchase at Lowe's, Home Depot, and national hardware chain stores. It applies, looks, and performs like floor paint, not a high-end epoxy. However, for those looking for a more affordable and straightforward way to coat their garage floors, the Rust-Oleum Epoxy Shield may be an excellent option. The AutoFloorGuard AFG 8520 is a heavy-duty garage floor mat that is designed to protect your garage floor from dirt, debris, water, and other substances that can accumulate on your SUV or truck. The mat measures 8.5 by 20 feet, which is large enough to accommodate most vehicles, and is made of a durable material that can withstand regular use. One of the standout features is its stay-put corners, which help keep the mat in place and prevent it from sliding around as you drive your vehicle onto it. This can be especially useful if you plan to use the mat in a garage with a sloping floor or if you frequently drive in and out of your garage. The corners are made of a heavy-duty material that helps the mat stay in place, even under heavy loads. Is its telescoping squeegee, which makes it easy to remove water and other liquids from the mat. The squeegee can be extended to reach all corners of the mat, allowing you to quickly and easily clear away any standing water or other substances that may have accumulated on the surface of the mat. Starting off, the Drylok concrete floor paint is a highly rated product manufactured by United Gilsonite Laboratories. It is a water-based paint that is suitable for both interior and exterior use. The paint comes in a variety of colors, and it can be used to create a unique and personalized look for your floors. One of the main benefits of Drylok concrete floor paint is its durability. It is designed to resist chipping, peeling, fading, and stains. Once applied, the paint forms a protective barrier on the concrete surface, protecting it from wear and tear caused by foot and vehicle traffic. It is an ideal solution for high-traffic areas, such as garages, basements, and warehouses. It can be applied using a brush, roller, or sprayer, and it dries to the touch within a few hours. The product has a low odor and is easy to clean up with soap and water. However, it is recommended that the surface is prepped and cleaned thoroughly before applying the paint. This includes removing any previous coatings, cleaning the surface of dirt, oil, and grease, and ensuring the surface is dry before application. It is also resistant to moisture, which is a common problem for concrete floors. This makes it an ideal product to use in areas that are prone to water damage, such as basements. One potential downside of Drylok concrete floor paint is that it can take longer to dry compared to other products. It is recommended that the surface is left to dry for at least 24 hours before exposing it to heavy foot or vehicle traffic. This may require some planning and preparation before beginning the project. When compared to other concrete floor coatings, Drylok concrete floor paint is a more affordable option. It is an excellent choice for those looking to protect their concrete floors without breaking the bank. The product is available in different sizes, including 1-gallon, 2-gallon, and 5-gallon containers, making it convenient for any size of project. And finally, the Ink Store's inch-thick Nitro interlocking garage floor tiles are also an excellent solution for anyone looking for a quick and easy way to install a durable garage floor. The product has many advantages, including a straightforward installation process, durability, and versatility. The interlocking tiles are incredibly easy to install, with no special tools or skills required. The tiles come pre-assembled in units of 4, making installation a breeze. The hooks and studs on the tiles lock into place with a light pressure, and any tiles that don't click into place fully will eventually do so when walked or driven on. One of the significant advantages of the InkStore's inch-thick Nitro interlocking garage floor tiles is their strength and durability. They can support heavy weights without moving, making them a great choice for those who store heavy equipment or vehicles in their garages. Additionally, the tiles are incredibly versatile and can be laid on any surface without requiring a specific condition of the concrete. The product is a cost-effective alternative to epoxy paint, which requires a lot of work to grind down and paint. With the interlocking tiles, there's no need to repaint the garage floor every few years due to moisture coming up through the slab. Overall, the InkStore's inch-thick Nitro interlocking garage floor tiles are highly recommended as an easy-to-install and durable flooring option. However, if you plan to order the edge pieces, it's crucial to choose the male or female ones carefully, depending on where you start. Despite this minor issue, the final result is impressive and looks beautiful. Thanks for watching our comprehensive guide to finding the best garage floor for your needs. We hope our reviews and buying guide have helped you make an informed decision about which garage floor option is right for you. Remember, a high-quality garage floor not only protects your garage, but also adds to the overall look and feel of your home. Whether you're looking for an epoxy coating, interlocking tiles, or a heavy-duty mat, there's an option out there that's perfect for your garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful buying guides and product reviews, and let us know in the comments which garage floor option you decided to go with.